All right, guys, it's time for another Gold Rush Sensational Signatures autographed baseball bat from Steel City. So we've pulled a Tatis a couple breaks ago. So a ton of big names that are in this series. So we'll see what we can get. Chris L, you've got the Pirates. David B with the Rockies. George, you've got the Braves, White Sox, Reds, Angels, and Nationals. James, you've got the A's. Jeff C with the Cubs. Kevin S has got the Diamondbacks, Tigers, Marlins, Twins, and Phillies. Lance with the Royals. Matt C with the Brewers. Ray's got the Indians. Richard V with the Astros. Rick, you've got the Red Sox, Dodgers, Mets, Yankees, Padres, Giants, Mariners, Rays, Rangers, and Blue Jays. Sean with the Cardinals. And then Travis, you've got the Baltimore Orioles. All right, so tape and sealed up on this side. Same as this. Dang, check out this color. Let's look at who it is in just a second. All right, it's a cool looking bat. We don't have to look at the envelope now because it says it on the bat. It's a Jorge Polanco, which will be length of service, but excuse me, it's inscribed 2019 All-Star Starter. So, is it the Twins, maybe? It is going to be the Twins. So, Minnesota is going to be Kevin S. So Kevin pulled the bat for you, man, on the Jorge Polanco. So we'll get that in the mail to you tomorrow. And I've got 2 or 3 more boxes out of this case. So we'll try another one next weekend. So go check out those team auctions. They'll end Saturday night on eBay. And then we'll break it here next Sunday.